Hello friends, in this video you are going to see some key combinations that may or may not help you in your daily life. Let's start. The first key combination. For this you need to open a new tab and open any site. I have opened YouTube. Then close it. You can reopen the tab by pressing Ctrl+shift+T. You can see this. The YouTube tab is opened again. The next key combination. windows+B. Through this key combination, one of the icons at the right corner of the screen gets selected, and you can move through them through arrows. The next key combination is Ctrl+shift. Through this you can create shortcuts of folders like this.
मैंने चेक किया था, अप्रूव हो गया इनकम टैक्स से, तो अभी जनरेट.
The next key combination is windows+M.
नहीं, approved from income tax department.
Windows.
मेरे मेल आईडी पे था.
Through this you can minimize the current window like this. The next key combination, windows+shift+M. Through this you can restore the minimized window.
अकाउंट में डाल दिए.
The next key combination, alt+enter. Through this you can see Through this you can see the properties of the selected file or folder. Like this, you can see I have set to transportation, and this is properties transportation. The next one is windows+E. Through this you can open my computer. The next one is alt+F4. I cannot show this because there is no F4 in the on-screen keyboard, but it works. I can show you with my keyboard. This. It was closed. The next key combination, windows+F. It helps to search any file or folder in your computer. Like this, you can write the name of the folder here. windows+R. Through this you can open the Run dialog box. windows+U. Through this you open the ease of access option in the control panel. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you haven't understood any of the key combinations, I will give it in the descriptions. You can read them from there and then try it in your computer.